Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about array functions and what they are used for. The first array function we shall focus on is the push function. The push function is used to append items to an existing array. Let's say we have this array that we have right here, and I want to append Thursday and Friday to this list. I would say my array.push. And that's how to use the push function. My array.push, and I'll say Thursday, and I'll say Friday. Now if I console.log my array now, you'd see that we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if I take this out and I console.log my array, you see we just have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And by appending items to an array, I mean the items are added to the end of the list, not inserted in between existing items. The next array function we shall learn about is the pop function. The pop function is used to remove an item at the end of an array list. Let's say we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and I want to remove Thursday from the array list. I would say my array.pop, and I'll just do that without putting anything there. Now when I console.log my array, you see Thursday has been taken away from the list. So that if I take this out and I console.log my array, you see we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The next function is the shift function. The shift function is used to remove the first item in an array list, unlike the pop function that is used to remove the last item in an array list. So let's say we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and I want to remove Monday from the list. I would say my array.shift. And when I console.log this, you see we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But if I take this out, you see we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The next function is the Unshift function. The Unshift function is used to add an item to the beginning of an existing array list. Let's say we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, like so, and we want to add Monday to the list as the first item. I'll say my array.unshift, and I'll pass in a string of Monday here. When I save that, you see now I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So the Unshift function is used to add an item at the beginning of the array list. Before we jump into the next video, let me explain the importance of understanding arrays properly, because I recommend you go online to research on more array functions. The reason to understand arrays properly is because when building mobile apps or web applications, and you need to manage database systems, you will need the knowledge of arrays to properly manage these systems. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.